intelligent universe. If we consider a scenario of the intelligent creation, in this case, instead of an abstract point of singularity, the cause of all creation is the superintelligent personality who implements step by step his reasonable plan. In this case, matter develops progressively according to a predetermined plan, without any element of chance. And the word cosmos, that in Greek means order, now finds its original meaning. If we see tidiness and order in someone's home, it is obvious that the owners have arranged it for the sake of convenience and beauty. The most frequently asked question about intelligent creation is, if the Creator is the cause of all the creation, then what is the origin of the Creator himself? On the one hand, this is a perfectly reasonable question, but on the other hand, it can go on non-stop, because any reason is a consequence of another preceding deeper reason. Therefore, from the cause and effect point of view, this question remains unanswered forever. And it is the basis of Gnosticism, which is the concept that the world is fundamentally unknown or unknowable. The search for the original cause of all is quite reasonable, but since this research is undertaken in the parameters of ever-changing matter and our mind, limited by the cliches and stereotypes, we quickly come to a dead end. To solve this problem, one needs to approach a higher authority. The moral consequence of the intelligent creation idea is that people aim at their highest values of life that make them simple and sublime. Such spiritually motivated people are trying to follow high principles of morality that they perceive as the divine will, and not just as rules of etiquette for the sake of public order. The spiritual value system encourages people to strive for perfection in all respects. Such people do not want to exploit the resources of material nature, but instead focus on building a harmonious relationship with the environment. They see not only national and cultural differences, but also a spiritual unity, which is the basis of respect for each other. By observing the world, one can see that the laws of harmony create common universal values that unite all people. Harmony of colours and shapes creates fine art paintings and architectural masterpieces. Harmony of sounds creates music. Harmony of elements of nature creates ideal conditions for all living beings. For a thoughtful man, it is quite obvious that these world-uniting laws of harmony originate from a single intelligent and harmonious source. The concept of intelligent creation gives life a sublime sense and makes people more peaceful and harmonious. Of course, there are skeptics who'd say that religion is not a panacea for all the problems. And they are right, because history knows many examples of religious conflicts and wars.
That is why we must distinguish between the external religiosity,
which is often tied to nationalism, race and geography, and true inner spirituality. And the ability to distinguish comes from the spiritual knowledge and not just faith. That is why we again and again keep referring to the Vedas as non-confessional, non-sectarian, universal knowledge for everyone.